Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to configure H3C switches. First, you'll need to connect to your H3C switch using a console cable or SSH. Once connected, you'll access the command line interface or CLI. From there, you can enter the system view to start making global configuration changes. We'll cover the fundamental commands to get your switch up and running efficiently. Next, let's set up the core network settings. You'll assign an IP address to the management VLAN interface, which is crucial for remote access. Don't forget to configure a default gateway to ensure your switch can communicate with other networks. For security, it's vital to set up a strong username and password, protecting your device from unauthorized access. Now, let's dive into VLAN configuration, a powerful way to segment your network. You'll learn how to create new VLAN, which helps organize traffic and improve security. After creating them, you'll assign specific switch ports to their respective VLAN. We'll also cover configuring trunk ports, essential for allowing multiple VLAN to traverse a single link between switches. Finally, it's crucial to save your work and follow best practices. Always remember to save your running configuration to the non-volatile memory so your changes persist after a reboot. For security, implement strong passwords and disable any unused services. Regularly backing up your configuration files is also a smart move, ensuring you can quickly restore your settings if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.